Hey guys, so if you are watching this video, you might be a client of mine that has expressed to me, Mike, I find it really inconvenient to track my workouts at the gym. Or Mike, I find it really inconvenient, sorry, to track my workouts at the gym using the Google Drive app and the workouts that you've provided. So I hear you that it can be annoying. Perhaps you're someone that's not motivated to work out as well. And so this is like another extra step of like having to go to the gym, do the workout, and then also have to write everything down. Or perhaps you're motivated to work out, but you do find the act of pulling out your phone after every set and recording your workouts to be annoying. I hear you. It is another step. And you're on your phone probably enough throughout the day that to be on your phone at the gym is also kind of annoying. Again, I hear you. The only thing that I have to say is that, especially as your coach, if I can't see the workouts that you're doing and how much you're lifting, and if I sort of can't go in and verify that you're lifting heavier every week, it's called progressive overload, and that's important to build muscle, then that's one less area in your fitness journey that I can't, that's one less area that I can help you. So I can't help you, or I can't help you as much as I would like to. And I can't that's one less guarantee that I have that I can help you to get the results that you're looking for, especially if you're trying to get stronger and build muscle. So that's like for me as a coach. Now for you, again, if you're not tracking your workouts, it's hard to remember every single set and how many reps you did and how much weight that you're lifting and what's the most that you've done on your dumbbell bicep curl or your dumbbell bench press if you're trying to grow your chest, and it's an important compound movement for your upper body. And lifting more every week or trying to lift more every week is going to be very important for you to track that. So I would just, I'm just trying to like relate that it is kind of an annoying thing, but it is a necessary evil to seeing progress, especially if you really want to guarantee progress, because it can be really easy to just kind of lift the same weight every week, and still putting in that effort, but it is really important. So a couple things that I want to share with you is the first thing is, if you haven't already, using the Google Drive app on your phone or your Android, as well as the Google Sheets app. So having both of those apps downloaded on your phone will just make it a little bit more seamless, because I'm sending you a Google Drive folder with Google Sheets that you're using for your workouts, and it can open on your phone in your browser, but there are a million different kind of phones and browsers, and I can just only guarantee that the Google Drive and Google Sheets, it's just faster. I've used both the Google app, Drive and Sheets, as well as browser, and both work, but it's a lot faster experience, and I can sort of guarantee that it's going to work really well. So if you're a client and you're at the gym and you've got, if you're going to download the Google Drive app and Sheets apps like I suggest, and you do find it annoying to kind of put it in every time, I would just challenge you on that, because if you're doing a set, so real time in front of you right now, I'm just doing a set like 1, 2, I'm just skip obviously, 7, 8. Okay, just put the weights down, take a sip of water, take a breath, pick up your phone. Got my phone. The workout would be open, right? Maybe you can like scroll to your music as well and answer a text message really quick. Don't be on your phone too much at the gym, but you got your workouts open. So what you're going to do is, I like to zoom in on the load column, where I don't know if you're going to be able to see this very clearly, but right there at the top middle, that is where you're going to put in your first weight. So I'm going to tap it. I'm going to click the pencil, and I'm going to type first set 1 times 8 times, let's say you did 235, so 70. Check. Like, I also explained that to you, so it took like an extra 10 seconds, but it should really be that simple. So again, we're going to do it again. 5, 6, 7. You didn't get that eighth one, and that's fine. Okay, so I'm going to pick up my phone. I've got it open. I'm going to hit, okay, I did 237. So that's 75. 1 times 8, or 7 times 7 times 35. Check. Put down your phone. And that's it. Like, that's really all you need to do, is once you're at the gym, if you can just open your workouts sheets that I sent you, Again, the workouts are completely custom. I spent a lot of time on these workouts that personalized to your goals and your equipment and your lifestyle, and all the different things that are important for them to be effective workouts for you and enjoyable. If you could just take out your phone while you're at the gym, probably got it open again, already listening to music, maybe answering the odd message here and there, have that sheet open, and just every time you complete a set while you're following the workout, navigate over to that load column, just tap pencil 7 times 35, or like 4 times whatever, just type it in really quickly. And it just, once you get into that habit, it just, you don't even think about it. You just like, you lift that last one, you're like, okay, I just did 75, pick it up, 8 times 75, enter. Like, it really does, it becomes that sort of second nature. And again, it's really important for you to guarantee that you're lifting more weight every week. It's really important for me as a coach to see that you're lifting more weight or not. And so, then I can say, hey, I noticed that you've been lifting the same for your bench press so the last 3-4 weeks. Like, I know you want to build muscle, and I can see in your photos, that you want to build your chest. So it's, are you, what kind of issues are you having with your bench press? Is it your form? But if you're not tracking at all, then I don't know what's going on, right? So just wanted to make this video because it is admittedly one of the number one things is, Mike, it's annoying to track my food, or Mike, it's annoying to track my workouts. It was one of the number one things that I've done that has helped me guarantee that I'm lifting more volume, that I'm doing more at the gym week over week. Because there's this quote that I heard that if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. And it's true. Like, if your body's comfortable, if you're just doing, if it feels like another day, your body's gonna look like just the same as yesterday, right? So you have to push yourself outside of your comfort zone. You have to lift more than you've been lifting. And to guarantee that you're lifting more than you were lifting last week, you need to write it down, because I guarantee you're not going to remember it for all the 6, 7, 8 exercises that you're doing at the gym, the three or four sets of each exercise. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, please leave them in the description below, or send me a DM. If you're having any trouble with your Google Drive or Google Sheets apps, please let me know. If you're having trouble with your workouts, let me know. Hope this was helpful, and have a great day.